We are pleased to show you the 2010 Malibu. A combination of performance and fuel economy, the Malibu is a great commuting car. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, braking assist, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, power windows, power steering, tachometer. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.